Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use InShot app. If you're a beginner and you have just started using editing apps and you want to try the InShot, I'll show you how you can do it. Simply open the InShot and it will show you three options. You can create a video, a photo and a collage. So I'll start with a video. To start editing a video, you have to click on video and simply select the videos that you want to edit from your mobile phone. Once you have gathered all of your media, then after that you will be onto this page. So first we have this option for canvas, which is the aspect ratio. You can choose any one of these, and after that it will get applied on your video. Then we have the option for the music. You can click onto it. You can use the music that is offered by InShot. You can find up there the different sort of music categories. You can simply explore it, and after that you can also add these music effects. You can find all of there. Whatever you like it, you can click onto it and it will be added. Then we also have this option for to record at the moment. You can do it, or you can also use this AI speech feature. This is a new one, so you can try it out as well. In the sticker, you can add any sort of sticker. There are different categories. You can apply it on your video. You can also add the text as a sticker, and if you want to add a text separately, you can click onto it, and after that you will be able to add it. Like, we have different templates and stuff. If you want to add the effects, there's the option for it. You can click onto it and you will get number of different effects available. You can click onto it and set its duration on your video. If you want to delete it, you have to click onto it. You have to scroll and click onto delete option and the effect will get deleted. You can also add these filters and you can also set their intensity and click onto this stick icon to add your filters. If you want to crop the duration of the video, you can click onto this one and click onto that Caesar icon and reduce the duration as per your preferences. But if you want to split it a specific part, then you will see this option for split. Click onto it and again do it, and the middle part you have to simply select and do a delete, and that's how the video will get deleted. Then you can also set the volume of the video. If you want to change the speed, there's an option. You can do it straight away, and if you want to do it through the curves, you can also do it. If you want to add the animations, then we also have the option for it. You can simply select any one of these animations and it will be added on your video. You can also stabilize your video if you want, and there's so many different options that you can explore. Now once you're done and you want to save the video, then click on export, and after that you have to simply select the quality, and after that the video will get saved. If you want to edit a picture, go to there and select any photo, and then you will find all of these options similar to the one that we have used on the video. So you can try out any one of these. Whatever you select, the effects will be added on your photo. And if you want to try out the collage, click on collage, simply import the photos, and then it will show you like this. This is the collage it has created. You can go to this option layout. You will get different layout. Whatever you like the most, you can simply set it. And that's how you can use the InShot app. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.